An update on the hot button issue of coronavirus vaccine supply here in Canada. Repeated reassurances on Monday out of Ottawa, and I mean repeated, coming from International Trade Minister Mary Ng, who says she, her fellow ministers, the Prime Minister, have all been promised by European leaders that the EU's new export control mechanisms won't affect Canada's shipments of shots.
Strong reassurances that this mechanism will not delay vaccine shipments to Canada. Same reassurances, clear assurances. Once again, he assured me assurances that Canada will not be affected by this mechanism.
But as Ng told a parliamentary committee, those reassurances were all made through telephone calls with no signed agreements. Last week, the EU unveiled new rules on COVID-19 vaccines produced within the bloc, forcing drug makers to show them what shots they're producing in Europe and where they're going. It's in effect until the end of March in an effort to speed up the rollout in some European countries where vaccinations lag behind other Western nations. Back at home, the issue picked up again during question period.
Despite claims from the Prime Minister and the Trade Minister that Canadians wouldn't be affected by these measures, we are not listed on the EU list as one of the over 100 countries who are exempt. Why?
As my colleague heard directly from the minister earlier today at committee, we have been reassured that vaccine shipments will not be interrupted by these new measures. That is the message the Prime Minister himself received from the President of the EU Commission, and the message that various ministers across government have received from their EU counterparts over the course of this last weekend.
In January, Pfizer slashed its delivery to a number of countries while it upgraded its plant in Belgium. Last week, the company sent 0 doses to Canada. They're scheduled to send 79,000 doses this week. And Moderna reducing shipments by about 20% to several nations in the coming days, including Canada, due to manufacturing issues.
Le Québec est prêt à vacciner 250,000 personnes à chaque semaine. Et la semaine passée, on a reçu...
We know, but we got 0 vaccines last week and very little this week. How is Canada going to get back on track to vaccinate the majority of Canadians by September? The Honourable Minister.
I'm pleased to say that we have vaccines en route to Canada and being deployed across this country on Monday and Tuesday of this week. And we will continue to bring vaccines into this country to meet our quarterly target of 6 million vaccines.
And another vaccine update. Over the weekend, we learned that Novavax became the 5th company to submit its vaccine for approval by Health Canada. Novavax has said its vaccine was found to be 89% effective in UK trials. Melissa Duggan, City News.